kids, let's learn animals and their homes. Dogs live in the kennel. Dog lives in a kennel. Kennel. Where does the crocodile live? Crocodile lives in a pond. And bees live in hive. 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 Bees live in the hive. Lion lives in a den. Lion lives in a den. D-E-N. Lion lives in a den. Elephant lives in a jungle. Elephant lives in jungle. Fish live in water. Fish live in the water. Horse lives in a stable. Horse lives in a stable. And polar bear lives in ice. Spider lives in a web. Spider lives in a web. Ants live in an anthill. Ants live in an anthill. Monkeys lives on the trees. Monkey lives on trees. Birds live in the nest. Birds live in the nest. Now it's quiz time. Where does the horse live? Tell me, kids. Yes, horse lives in a stable. Now tell me, where does the lion live? Yes, lion live in a den. Now where does the dog live? Any guesses? Yes, dog lives in a kennel. Very good, kids. You have done very well. So kids, today we will learn about the sounds of different animals. Knowing animal sounds in English might seem unimportant, but these sounds are part of culture and helps to pronounce words better. So let's go. An elephant trumpets. Trumpets. A bear growls. Growls. The frogs ribbit. Ribbit. The bees buzz. Buzz. A dog barks. Barks. A snake hisses. Hisses. A lion roars. Roars. A horse neighes. Neighs. A cat meows. Meows. Now it's quiz time. What sounds do elephants make? Yes, trumpet. Next question. What sound does bear make? Growl. What sound does horse make? Wow, well done kids.